Hello everyone, my name is Seun, and today's video I'm going to be showing you something very sweet, and this is an affiliate system that will make you money. All you just need to do is promote them, promote their link, promote the link, and anybody that sign up with that link and pay for their services or products, you will earn 15% of whatever they buy from them. Alright guys, if you are new on my channel, I would just want to say thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much. And if you are just, you are coming again to check my video, thank you so much for coming. So if you are new, I just want you to do something for me. I want you to do this for me because I want you to know whenever I'm dropping the next video, if you're in Nigeria, you're in Ghana, you're in South Africa, anywhere you are in Africa and you want to make money online, this is for you. Now, all you just need to do if you're new on this channel, click on the button like this, subscribe, and click on the bell like this and click all, because I want you to be the first person to know whenever I'm dropping a video. Like, I want you to do something for me. Those 3 steps for me before I continue this video. 1, I want you to like this video. 2, I want you to comment in the comment section below and say, let's make the affiliate money. Let's make the affiliate money. Then the 3rd one, I want you to share this video. And also, if you have any other question, you can drop your question in the comment section. So without any further delay, let me just go straight to the point I'm going to be making today. Now, this is an affiliate marketing. This is Whogohost. Whogohost is the hosting company in Nigeria here that provides you your domain name and hosts your website for you. Now, I've been doing website for years now, and I love these people. They are very legit. They have a good price rate system. Now, all you just need to do, you're not going to do any website, you're not doing anything. All you just want to do here is you want to sign up as an affiliate with them. Now, as an affiliate, you just want to promote a link, your affiliate link, and send it out to people, and anybody that sign up with that link, you will get paid. You get 15% on that. It's quite sweet to get that amount. Now, all you just need to do, you scroll down here and click on affiliate system. You can see, click on affiliate system. But before I go on, I want to show you proof of this, what I got today, how much I earned today just by promoting the link. Now, if you see my affiliate link, I got 80 clicks today, and also I got 4 people that signed up and 5% conversion rate, and I've made 2,000 naira only today. So before, let me go back to that place to show you something. Now, how does it work? If a client you recommend pay for any of the product or service, you get as much as 15% of the amount paid. You get that? All you need to do is recommend our service to a friend or a colleague, either through your unique affiliate link or with word of mouth. You get that? Once the client makes payment for a product or a service, you are credited with as much as 15% of the amount paid. You get that? Also, if it is that simple, it's very simple. You can see it's very simple. You may also keep track of your progress, and you can withdraw requests. You can withdraw requests for a withdrawal once you have minimum balance of 3,000. Once you have minimum balance of 3,000 naira in Nigeria money, you can withdraw your money. It's cool. Now I have 2,000 just for today. You can check it again. Let me refresh so that you will know that this is real. Is not addicted. So let me refresh so that you can see. You can see my system is loading, is refreshing. Good. I've refreshed. Let me do it again so that you will know that this is sweet. I've refreshed. Is refreshing. Good. Refresh. You can see my money, to the 2,000 is still there. All I just need to do is copy the link here and send it out to people, and let people start signing up with them, do their website with them, buy domain with them, buy hosting with them, and I make my money. So let's go back and show you how to sign up. Once you get here, once you click on that, and once you get here, just scroll down to become an affiliate. Click on become an affiliate. Here you're gonna put your email address. Then you put your your password, and you're good to go if you have an account before. But if you don't have an account before, click on create new account. If you click on create new account, all you just need to do is your first name, your last name, your email, and then your number, your phone number. If you're in Nigeria, put +234. If you're in Ghana, you know you know the number you're gonna put. Then your company name, if you have any company, is optional. If you have a company, you put it there. Your address, your just one address is okay. You don't need the address too. Then your city, your state, your postal code, then states, your country, you're gonna put your country, then phone number, then here receive a notification, SMS notification. If you want it, yes. If you don't want it, no. Then put your pin, your 4-digit pin, okay, or 8 digits depending on you. Where do you hear of us? You can put if it's from a friend, if it's from anywhere, YouTube, anywhere, Facebook, social media, anywhere you get it, just put it there. And now here, customer category, you put your category here, you're a web designer, you're a web developer, SME, NGO, individual, entrepreneur, and enterprises. Then you put your now they just have these, they have US dollar, they have KES, they have Ghana CD, they have Naira, that's Kenya, they have US, Naira, Kenya, and Ghana. So you put your password, you put your confirm the password, then here receive email, then you click on I've read and agreed to the terms and condition. So you click on register, and that will be all, and that you're good to make your money. Once you do that, they are going to generate a link for you, this kind of link that you're going to copy and send it out to people. These you get your unique referral link like this, then copy it, send it out to people, send it on your WhatsApp group, do it as a broadcast to WhatsApp, on your WhatsApp, do it. I mean, just try every means that you're going to use to do this. Okay. All right. Okay, guys, now that's how you're going to do it. And after that, I'm going to be dropping my link, my affiliate link in the description box. Just do what? Click on the link to sign up just by helping me to make more money. So okay, once you click on the link, you register through that link so that I can make just more money with that. So if you are new on this channel, I want to do something for me again. Click on that button, click on the button right here, then click on here to get notification, to be the first person to know whenever I'm dropping the next video. I want you to always be the first person to know whenever I'm dropping the next. I have tons of videos here. I have videos on so many things here. I have made video on how to get free active email addresses, how to make money online on Fiverr. I have tons of videos. Just come here, watch them, and you are gonna make money through these videos. All right, guys, thank you so much for coming. I really appreciate your time. And do me a favor, do comment, drop the comment like, let's make an affiliate money. Let's make the affiliate money. Put it down, drop it in the comment section. And also, if you have a question for me, I would be glad to answer you. And also, share this video and give it a thumb up if you like the video, the kind of content I'm making for you guys. Thank you so much. I see you in the next video. Bye bye.